Xavier Smart.
We are at Southern High School where we are presenting students with their NIMS industry certificate.
We got Kayla Lee.
And we are also going to host a job fair directly after where those kids that get certified can go around and try to get jobs.
So you start off getting paid a lot better than some of the jobs that are like fast food, retail, and also it's just a better environment.
What makes this event so spectacular is that 57 of these kids have earned their NIMS credentialing, which is the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. And that shows that they have a basic understanding of running a manual lathe, a manual mill, blueprint reading, and how to read a micrometer.
We've built official business partnerships through the Academy of Louisville model to provide students opportunities at internships, externships, co-ops, and ultimately jobs after graduation.
I think that certificate stacks on top of a resume nicely. I think when they get done getting their award today and they begin to make their way to some of these job places, that them handing them a certificate and a resume, the boss has already vetted them by seeing that certificate. They know that they are employable, they know the basics of measurement for quality purposes, they know about working safely, which is important anywhere, and they know about materials, which is important for a machinist as well.
This shows that I have a basic knowledge and understanding of what goes on in a machine shop and what I need to do to be able to hold down a job. And I'd like to thank my teacher, Mr. Haynes, for preparing me for this.
It's building stuff, working with tools, learning how to make your way around the shop, how to use everything the correct way.
Because it's a good career and I can take it more on and maybe someday have my own company.
I think what the Academies of Louisville has done has flipped everything on its head.
Looking for a job? Yeah, actually, it was talking about aluminum, and I kind of like working with metal.
The Academy of Louisville model says that your school is based on the career theme of a pathway, and that kids, all of their schooling should be based on that. So the ideal would be that in their math class, they're learning math that could relate to machine tool and die. They're learning science that relates to machine tool and die. And so kids are really starting to see that this is important and what they're learning could be beneficial in all aspects of life.